Hello, my foodie friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you recipe of moong dal, rice, kamal kakdi and potatoes. Wash moong dal properly and soak it for an hour. Add water into cooker. Add salt, turmeric powder, red chilli powder into soaked dal. Cover it. Wash rice properly. Add salt and water into it. Water should be 2.5 times of rice. Cover it. Peel and chop kamal kakdi and potatoes and put it into cooker like this. Close lid of cooker. Let all ingredients cook until 2 whistles. Open the lid. Rice is ready. Dal is cooked properly. We need to cook kamal kakdi more. Potatoes are properly cooked. Take out potatoes from it. Put potatoes in a plate and let kamal kakdi cook for 3 more whistles. Heat some oil in a pan. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds. Let them crackle. Add garlic. Let them cook properly. Add chopped green chillies and curry leaves. Add spices. I have added turmeric powder and red chilli powder. Mix it properly. Add cooked dal. Add some water to adjust consistency. Chop a tomato and put it into dal. Let tomato cook properly. Add salt as per taste. You can adjust consistency as per your choice. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Please follow my food vlogs and Insta page. Garnish with chopped coriander leaves. Dal is ready. Heat some oil in another pan. Add your favorite spices into it. Make sure that oil is not too much heated. Otherwise, all spices can get burnt. So keep the gas flame on simmer. Garam masala. Add cooked kamal kakdi, boiled potatoes, salt, jaljeera powder. Mix all ingredients properly. Our tasty veg thali is ready to eat. For supporting me, please subscribe to my channel, follow my food blogs and Insta page, and share my recipes. Please try this recipe. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like icon. Thanks for watching.